Regarding you guys on how to use American Express gift card on Apple Store. So let's get started. Unfortunately, directly using an American Express gift card on the Apple Store isn't currently possible. Now, here are a few workarounds you can consider. The first one is that you can buy an Apple gift card with your Amex gift card. So you can look for retailers that sell Apple gift cards and accept American Express gift cards. Some popular options include Best Buy, Target, Walmart, and grocery stores. Now you can use your Amex gift card to purchase the desired amount of Apple gift card, redeem the Apple gift card on your Apple ID account to have the balance available for purchase. Now the second option is to add funds to your Apple ID balance using a different payment method. You can use a debit card, credit card, excluding Amex gift cards currently, or your Apple Pay balance to add funds to your Apple ID account. Once you have a balance, you can use it to purchase apps, music, movies, and other items on the Apple Store. Now, lastly, the third option is to obviously wait for Amex gift card support on Apple Pay. Some users have reported issues adding Amex gift card to Apple Pay, which would otherwise allow direct use on the Apple Store. While there is no official confirmation, there are reports suggesting Amex is working on resolving this issue. You can keep an eye on Amex and Apple support pages for updates. So, important notes. Now, before trying any of these methods, check the terms and conditions of your specific Amex gift card to ensure it can be used for online purchases. Be aware that some retailers might charge a fee for purchasing gift cards. Adding funds to your Apple ID balance with a credit card might incur interest charges if the balance isn't paid off in full each month. So, alright, guys, I'll wait for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.